Hi there guys, welcome to another Ross Perry Productions video. In this video I'm sitting in a 2020 Hyundai Tucson and I'm going to show you how easy it is to update the time and date which is found on the middle entertainment screen. So as you can see, it's just there in the middle and there is no time on the actual dashboard itself. So nice and easy to do. All we're going to do is come over to the entertainment screen and we're just going to go ahead and tap the time, and that brings up this menu here. And then we can see that there's 24-hour setting. You can go to 12 hours or 24 hours. You've got your date here, so you can just scroll backwards and forwards. And then you've got your time here as well, so you can scroll backwards and forwards. And then you can apply daylight savings if it's that time of year. And then as soon as you hit back, it's actually updated that time in the middle there. Nice and simple to do. If you found that video helpful, please go ahead, give me a thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below. Check out some of my other videos and subscribe to my channel.